Hello, welcome to this course, Mendix Magic. Mobilize your responsive apps with no code. I'm thrilled to have you here. So, what is Mendix? It is a no-code or low-code application development platform that empowers individuals, including those without extensive coding background, to create robust and scalable business applications rapidly. Okay, so time is money. Yeah, rapid means we save the cost. That's one benefit, one of the many benefits from that. No code and low code are the future. Think about it. Yeah, think about the AI. With the scarcity of Mendix developers and the growing demand, processing Mendix skills significantly boosts your chance of securing opportunities when they arise. In this course, okay, so you will learn how to master Mendix, no code required. Craft a standard Mendix resume. Ace your Mendix job interviews. Secure Mendix job offers. Excel in real-world application development. Who am I? Okay, so it's very important, right? So I am Mendix certified. So I got my Mendix Rapid Developer certificate, and it was issued on May 2020. The credential ID is 21939. I started using Mendix from 2017. I use Mendix Studio Pro from version 7 to version 10. The version 10 is the latest now as of today. The problem affected me before. Okay, so this problem happened to me and it may happen to you already, or it will happen to you when you decide to start learning the Mendix. Okay, so absence of step-by-step video tutorials. Compatibility conundrum, documentation lag, overall difficulty, tedious learning curve, complex examples, new app struggles, sparse community engagement, lackluster free version support, unsure about obtaining Mendix certificates, confused about Mendix certification tests, lacking guidance of on crafting a Mendix resume, very uncertain in Mendix job interviews. Okay, so that's why this course came up. Okay, so you are making the good choice by enrolling. Don't worry, I've got you covered. All these problems can be resolved in this course. Welcome on board. Okay, thank you. I hope you can enjoy the course and learn the Mendix with me. Okay, I hope I can help you in your career. Okay, thanks.